When it comes to enjoying the perfect draft beer experience in the comfort of your home, nothing quite compares to the marvel of the ultimate Kegerator. Crafted to satisfy the desires of the most discerning beer enthusiasts, the pinnacle of home draft beer systems transcends mere convenience. It's a symphony of engineering and design, delivering flawless pours and preserving the integrity of your favorite brews. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best Kegerators you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Experience beer enjoyment like never before with the Kegco K309 Kegerator, a true game changer for beer enthusiasts. Say goodbye to the guesswork of dial temperatures. This Kegerator boasts a digital temperature control that lets you set the perfect beer chilling temperature with precision. Whether you prefer your brew ice cold at 32 degrees or a bit warmer at 75 for home brewing, this Kegerator has you covered. But what truly sets the Kegco K309 apart is its fan-forced cooling system, ensuring your beer stays consistently cold, delivering that refreshing taste every time. With the ability to hold full-size kegs or multiple 5-gallon kegs, you can share your favorite brews with friends. The premium dispense kit, featuring a stainless steel draft tower, CO2 regulator, and more, makes serving your beer a breeze. Priced at $922, this Kegerator is a worthy investment for anyone who wants the best for their beer. Elevate your beer experience with the Kegco K309 and savor every sip of your favorite brew. Meet the Ivation full-size Kegerator, a true masterpiece for beer enthusiasts. This Kegerator is a gateway to a world of pure beer bliss, crowned as the number 4 best Kegerator. It's not just a Kegerator, it's a symphony of emotions waiting to be tapped. Imagine the euphoria of serving ice-cold draft beer at home, anytime you desire. This freestanding keg refrigerator and universal beverage cooler can hold up to 2 different beer types on tap simultaneously. It's a haven for beer diversity, accommodating standard full-size half-barrel kegs, pony kegs, slim pony kegs, 6-barrel kegs, or Cornelius homebrew kegs. With its stunning dual-tap chrome tower, your beer experience reaches new heights. The 3-inch drink dispenser boasts a polished chrome finish, removable drip tray, and guardrail to prevent spills. It's a beacon of elegance. The powerful 34 degrees refrigeration system ensures your brew stays frosty, with precise temperature control to prevent foaming and maintain ideal carbonation. It's efficient, saving you money and preserving the integrity of your beer. The price tag of $749? It's a small price to pay for the joy, convenience, and endless possibilities this Ivation Kegerator brings to your life. Discover the Komos Kegerator, a true game changer in the world of homebrewing and beer enthusiasts. This Kegerator isn't just a machine, it's a work of art designed to evoke the deepest emotions in beer aficionados. Imagine serving ice-cold beer, even in scorching summer heat, thanks to its highly efficient refrigeration system. The stainless steel forward-sealing faucets provide a touch of luxury compared to common chrome-plated taps. They're mounted on a high-quality stainless steel tower, not a flimsy chrome-plated one, ensuring your beer remains cool from keg to glass. But what truly sets the Komos Kegerator apart is its capacity. It can hold up to 4 5-gallon slimline torpedo homebrew kegs, a feat no other Kegerator accomplishes. Dual gas line inlets allow for different pressures or gas types, a game changer for the serious homebrewer. The Komos Kegerator is a symphony of innovation, from the EVA barrier double-walled tubing that protects your beer from oxidation to the duotite push-to-connect fittings that make assembly a breeze. It's a Kegerator that turns beer into an art form, a masterpiece that every beer lover craves. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Dive into a world of flavor and elegance with the Komos Kegerator and let your beer journey be filled with joy and satisfaction. Price starts at $849. It's the 3rd best Kegerator on the market, and for good reason. Introducing the HomeCraft Black Stainless Steel Full-Size Kegerator, a game changer for those who revel in the joy of hosting unforgettable gatherings. This Kegerator, hailed as the #2 best Kegerator, is a masterpiece of convenience and style. With an impressive 4.9 cubic feet capacity, it can house 1/6, 1/4, short and slim, and 1/2 barrels of beer, making it the life of the party. Its black stainless steel door exudes elegance, and the hardtop pouring station, black tap tower, removable drip tray, and chrome guardrail make it a work of art. The recessed door handle provides a sleek finish, while the insulated rubber gasket keeps the cold in and the heat out. Mobility is a breeze with 4 casters, and the front ones lock securely on hard floors. The powerful cooling system, with 7 adjustable thermostat settings, chills your beverages to perfection at temperatures as low as 32 degrees. The 12-inch, spring-loaded single-tap tower ensures a flawless pour every time. Included is an American Sankey D single-tap system built to withstand heavy use. At just $499, the HomeCraft Kegerator is your ticket to becoming the ultimate host, creating unforgettable moments and cherished memories. Raise your glass to a lifetime of exceptional parties and icy cold drinks. Cheers! Say hello to the Komos Olympus 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗏, the undisputed champion of Kegerators, a true titan among beer enthusiasts. This masterpiece of engineering isn't just a Kegerator, it's a work of art that elevates any space it graces. Crafted with a commercial-grade compressor using eco-friendly R290 refrigerant, the Olympus 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗏 ensures your beverages stay at the perfect temperature. Its stainless steel countertop gleams with elegance, while the double-pane swinging glass doors with lock and key provide a glimpse of your liquid treasures. Inside, you'll find adjustable height wire rack shelves, a recessed drip tray with a pre-plumbed drain, and rubber-coated stainless steel bottle racks. This Kegerator is not just a beauty, it's a beast with heavy-duty rolling casters and front and side ventilation for maximum cooling efficiency. The easy-to-use digital thermostat puts you in control, while the interior lighting sets the mood. Though it doesn't come with a plug for the tower hole, when paired with a draft tower, the Olympus 𝗕𝗏𝗀𝗏 transforms any space into a beer lover's sanctuary. At $2,299, it's an investment in both craftsmanship and the joy of enjoying a perfectly chilled brew. Treat yourself to the best, the Komos Olympus 𝗕𝗏𝗀𝗏𝗏. Thank you for tuning in to today's Techtastic Journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. In the fast-evolving world of technology, staying up to date is essential, and we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just getting started, our channel is your go-to source for the latest reviews, tutorials, and insightful insights. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our tech-savvy community.